Welcome everyone, Sunil this side from Forever PT. In today's video, we'll be talking about essay writing. I appeared for the exam on 7th August and I scored perfect 90 marks in all the modules. A lot of students were asking me, did I use a template in my exam or did I write the entire essay on my own? So I'm gonna answer all those questions in this video. So in my exam, I got one essay and I followed a template, but I also made sure that I write sufficient content related to the topic. If the topic related content is less, your entire essay structure may fail. Means you may get a 0 in the entire essay. So in this video, I'll guide you step by step on how you can write a perfect essay using a template. Let's start with some of the basics. So in your exam, you will only get one question and you need to write somewhere between 200 to 300 words. They will give you 20 minutes to write the entire essay, and this part will only contribute marks towards your writing module. Your answer will be checked based on 7 different criteria which are listed below. And it's very crucial that you write content related to the topic. If your content is irrelevant, you may get a 0 in the entire essay. So I'm going to list these 7 traits. The first trait is content. Content is marked out of 6. You will get full points here if your answer contains topic related keywords. The next is form. They have asked you to write somewhere between 200 to 300 words. If your answer is between 200 to 300 words, you will get full points here. Next is development, structure and coherence. It basically means the paragraphing of the essay and whether your essay contains linking words or not, like furthermore, additionally, finally, that way. The fourth one is grammar. Grammar is marked out of 2. If you're making errors in terms of articles, punctuations, you will lose points here. Then in journal linguistic range, they want you to write a wide variety of structures like active voice, sentences based on passive voice, compound sentences, complex sentences. All these things come in journal linguistic range. Then next is vocabulary. Vocabulary basically means topic related content plus collocations. The last trait is spelling. Spelling is marked out of 2. So make sure you don't do any spelling errors, otherwise you will lose points here. Now, let me show you the essay template. I'll guide you step by step how to use that template so that you can score full marks in essay writing. So here's the essay template on your screen. And as you can see, it's valid for all types of essays. Whether the question is related to advantages or disadvantages, or whether they are asking to what extent do you agree, disagree, for all types of essays, you can use the same structure. There are 4 different paragraphs, and in each paragraph, there is some space where you need to insert keywords, phrases, or sentences related to the given topic. Now let's start with paragraph number 1. So in this first paragraph, it goes like, in this current era of scientific and technological progress, we find ourselves in the modern world where, here you need to write topic sentence, and this is the same topic sentence that the examiner has provided us. And after that, it is crucial that different people have different perceptions and levels of intelligence regarding. After this word regarding, I want you to write 2 keywords, at least 2 keywords related to the given topic. I'll show you one example as well. Then third line is, I will discuss, again, you need to write topic related keywords, or you can write a phrase as well. More broadly in the upcoming paragraphs, which will lead to a plausible conclusion. Then in second paragraph, after this first and foremost, you are supposed to write a line. The line should contain at least 15 to 20 words, and it should be related to the topic. After that, there's a comma, which is crucial for several reasons and in various fields like science, technology, and education. Moreover, all these factors have distinct effects on. Again, you are supposed to write few keywords here. Keyword number 6, 7, and 8. Then in third paragraph, we'll have to write one line on our own, which should be of 15 to 20 words. And there is a space for you to write at least 6 keywords in line number 2 and line number 3. Topic related keywords, or you can write a phrase as well. Then again, topic related keywords number 12, 13 and 14 are paramount for future generations. See, it's very important that you write topic related keywords, otherwise your entire essay may fail. Then finally in fourth paragraph, taking these points into consideration from a personal point of view, I'm inclined to believe that topic related sentence number 3. Again, it should also be of 15 to 20 words in length. And finally, some keywords related to the topic, 15, 16, and 17. So in the entire essay template, you are supposed to write 17 keywords at least, and you need to write 3 lines on your own, which should be of 15 to 20 words in length. And in the first paragraph, you can use the given topic. Let me show you with one example. And one more thing, in case you are unable to write one lengthy sentence, you can use phrases as well. I'll show you with one example. Here is a sample answer. So the topic is the qualities that a person needs to become truly successful cannot be learned at university or in a similar educational institution. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So the examiner has asked, do we agree or disagree? But this is not what we are concerned about. We need to write topic related to these keywords: qualities, university, educational institution, and success. These are our main keywords. Let me show you the sample answer. So in the first paragraph, we have written the given topic. After this word where, the qualities that a person needs to become truly successful cannot be learned at university or in a similar educational institution. There is no need to paraphrase the topic sentence. We can use the same line as it is. Then in line number 2, I have written keywords related to the topic. They're asking about the qualities. So qualities like personal growth and emotional intelligence. Then in line number 3, I will discuss real world experience, adaptability, and self-motivation more broadly in the upcoming paragraphs, which will lead to a plausible conclusion. Then in second paragraph, again I wrote one line related to the topic. Many essential traits such as resilience, leadership, and creativity are often developed outside academic environments. So I wrote somewhere between 15 to 20 words. If you are unable to create a lengthy sentence, what you can do is you can write one small phrase: many essential traits such as resilience, leadership, and creativity. Then you can put a comma, just use and write one more phrase. Right. Then we have written topic related keywords like ambition, decision making, and time management. Then in third paragraph, again we wrote one line. The ability to face challenges independently and learn from the failure is not typically taught in a traditional classroom setting. See, these entire keywords: challenges, failure, traditional classroom settings, they are all related to the topic, right? And then we also wrote some keywords like interpersonal skills, emotional maturity, soft skills, practical exposure, and self-discipline. And then in the last paragraph, again, we wrote one line: real success is often rooted in qualities cultivated through experience rather than instruction. And then some keywords like perseverance, emotional intelligence, and independent thinking. So this is how you are supposed to write the entire essay. Your essay must contain topic related keywords, otherwise the entire structure can fail. Let me show you how many marks will I get if I submit this structure in one of the portals available online. So we'll copy this and I'll paste it here. So we have written 242 words. Let me submit the answer and we'll check the scores. Yeah, it's perfect. 90 out of 90. We got 6 out of 6 in content. In grammar, it's 2 out of 2. Spellings are full, form, vocab. So everything is full here. So this is how you are supposed to perform in essay writing. A lot of students worry about the grammatical part and that's why they don't create new lines. My suggestion is, do not worry about the grammar. Focus more on content initially. If your content is less, you may get a 0 in the entire structure. And even after getting a 0 in grammar, you can still get band 8. But if you get 0 in content, the entire structure will fail. And you might have to repeat the exam again. I'm going to upload the PDF of this in the Telegram group or in the link, the description of this video. If you have any questions related to essay writing, you can post them in the comment box. I'll be happy to answer. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.